Mrs. King needs to rent tables for the 327 guests who will attend her daughter's wedding reception. If Mrs. King seats 9 guests at each table, how many tables should she rent to seat all the guests? So we are trying to find out how many tables there will be. So I don't know how many tables there will be. There's a table, and I don't know how many there will be. I'll put T for tables. I do know there'll be 9 guests at each table, and there will be 327 guests. That means I could put 9 at each of these tables, and when I put all the tables together, there should be 327. And I'll rewrite my T so it's clear. So, when I look at this, what operation will I be doing? Division. Because I have a total that I am separating into equal groups of 9. Which makes sense when we look at our answer choices. They are all much smaller than 327. This makes sense that we will be dividing. So first, I will make an in-out table to help with my solving. Now, students this week have told me, Mr. O'Connor, why do we make in-out tables? What does it do? Now, an in-out table, I'm going to make this a little smaller so I can fit it all. An in-out table is just a times table. And it's important because when we go from okay, so we'll have to do this. Okay. So when we go from this side to this side, we are saying 0 times 9 equals 0. 1 times 9 equals 9. And if I don't know my times table, I can just count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I'm counting by 9s. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And I count by whatever times table I'm doing. 54, 63, 72, 81. It's hidden there, but it's 81. So, if I want to do multiplication, I go this way. When I want to do division, 18 divided by 9 equals 2. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. So I will begin my box method, where I'm dividing by 9, 3 hundredths, 2 tens, 7 ones. And I'll do my work in blue. How many groups of 9 can I make out of 3? Well, 3 is between 0 and 9, so I can't use up 9 items. I can't make a group of 9, so the most I can do is use 0 guests, put 0 guests at 0 tables, right? I can break up 0 0 times. which means I will still have 3 left over. And I'll regroup. My 3 hundreds become 30 tens, so now I have 32. 32 is less than 36, but more than 27. So I can use up 27 of this to make 3 groups. So I can make 3 groups using up 27, which leaves us 2, 12, it leaves us 5. And we'll regroup. Next, 57 is larger than 54, but less than 63. So I can make 6 groups and use up 54 of these guests, which will leave 3 guests remaining. So my final answer is 36, remainder 3. Is my correct answer D? It is not. This is saying I can have 36 full tables, but 3 of my guests will not be seated at a table. So, what should be my final answer? 37. I'm going to get 1 more table to seat the 3 extra people.